Introducing the Livington Power PRIME. It's specially designed to bust dust, suck up pet hair, and take care of virtually any other household mess. Plus, it has an ergonomic, lightweight, cordless design. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, the Livington Power PRIME's high-speed turbo brush rotates 3,000 times per minute to suck up those tough messes you hate to vacuum. It's so lightweight, it's easy to clean way up high, down low, and everywhere in between. And the Livington Power PRIME even has a HEPA-grade double filtration system to make sure the dust, allergens, and other messes stay in your vacuum and don't escape back into the air in your home. The amazing swivel head makes it easy to maneuver in any direction. The bright LED battery indicator always shows you how much charge you have left. And the space-saving docking station makes it so easy to recharge and store. There's an ingenious hinge joint built right into the vacuum wand. It gets under your furniture. With just one click, you can easily clean under beds, tables, and even heavy dressers without struggling to move them. It could save you from bending and straining every time you vacuum your home. Your Livington Power PRIME cordless vacuum is amazing on floor surfaces, carpet, tile, laminate, and even hardwood. Look, you can see all this mess. Crumbs, sugar, crackers, and sprinkles all disappear. It's great for thick carpets in the living room, getting under beds in the bedroom, easily vacuuming up and down the stairs, pet messes and spills in the kitchen. And the best part is, the Livington Power PRIME system is not just a lightweight, dust-busting stick vacuum, but with one click, it's also a versatile, compact, handheld vacuum for stairs, cars, and those hard-to-reach places, wood shavings, and even nuts and bolts in the garage or at the workbench. And in the car, it's a cleaning star. Just watch. To show you the suction in this lightweight cordless vacuum, we put it to the test and lifted a 16-pound bowling ball. Then we sucked up an entire rack of pool balls in seconds. It gets even better. The Livington Power PRIME cordless vacuum easily managed to lift 50 pounds of weight. Can your current vacuum do that? Order your cordless, bagless Livington Power PRIME today.